Hey guys, thanks for watching AOMEI. In this video, I will tell you how to clone OS from HDD to M.2 SSD in a laptop. You may migrate OS from HDD to M.2 SSD for following reasons. Improve computer working speed. Better protect your data saved on the drive. M.2 SSDs are cooler, lighter, quieter, more durable, and consume less power than HDDs. There are three main stages involved in the migration process. 1. Install M.2 SSD in your laptop. 2. Migrate OS to the M.2 SSD with AOMEI Backupper. 3. Boot from the M.2 SSD. Stage 1. Install M.2 SSD in your laptop. Step 1. Open laptop back panel. Step 2. Loosen the screw in the M.2 slot. Step 3. Insert the M.2 SSD into the M.2 slot. Step 4. Secure the screws. Step 5. Replace laptop back panel. Stage 2. Migrate OS to the M.2 SSD with AOMEI Backupper. Step 1. Open the AOMEI Backupper Professional, click Clone and select System Clone. Step 2. The source drives, OS drive and boot-related drives are selected by default, and you only need to select the M.2 SSD as destination location. Step 3. Optional. If the M.2 SSD is not empty, the program will prompt you all partitions on the SSD will be deleted. Click OK to continue. Step 4. Tick SSD alignment to improve the reading and writing speed of the M.2 SSD. Then, click Start Clone and wait for the process to complete. Stage 3. Boot from the M.2 SSD. Step 1. Restart your computer and hit F2 while it is restarting to get into BIOS. The function key may differ depending on your laptop brand. Step 2. Use the arrow key to select the boot tab. Step 3. Select hard drive and hit Enter. Step 4. Select the M.2 SSD and hit F10. Select Yes. To save the changes, your laptop will boot from the M.2 SSD soon.